this video, I am going to introduce you to the TCC portal. I will show you where to find it, how to log in, what tools you can access, and where to find important information. To begin, you will want to go to the TCC main web page at www.tacomacc.edu. From the main page, you will want to select More from the drop-down. Then you will select Portal Login. The login page should appear next, where you will have to enter your username and password. You will need to know your 9-digit student ID number, also known as the TCC Link ID number, in order to log in. This number can be found in an email from TCC after you applied to the college. It's important to note that your username will be in all lowercase. That is very important. You should not have a capital letter in your username. The username will follow this formula. The first letter of your first name, your full last name, the last 3 digits of your student ID number, and the day you were born. Be sure that the day you were born is 2 digits. If it was the 4th, then be sure to enter 04. Your password will be your full student ID number. After you have entered your username and password, press Login. You should now be logged into your student portal. Your portal homepage should list your current classes and GPA, as well as your student ID number or TCC Link ID number. If you are a new student or have not registered for classes, this information may be empty. Now, I am going to show you some of the important tools and information you can access through the portal. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see some important resources listed. Campus safety is a very important number to keep in your phone. They are available on campus 7 days a week and are there to ensure you feel safe and secure as a student. E-Learning Help Desk is a resource for students who are having issues with technology. They have a live helpline you can call, as well as an email address you can send your questions to. In order to pay for tuition, many students apply for financial aid through FAFSA or WASFA. When receiving financial aid, it is very important that you are aware of the academic expectations you must meet in order to maintain your funding. Additionally, you may be asked to submit certain forms to our financial aid department. This is a great place to begin when you have questions regarding your financial aid. If you plan on using financial aid, I recommend starring some of the information you believe may be useful, such as the financial aid forms. What this does is pin this link to your TCC portal homepage. When you go back to your TCC portal homepage, you will now see the starred links under your favorites. To find more resources and applications to add to your favorites, you will go to the waffle icon on the top right of the screen. From there, you will select All Applications. Here are a few applications that I would strongly recommend that you star. Omni Alert, Omni Alert is a tool that you should sign up for that will send you a text message and email alert in which TCC Safety can communicate with you in case of closures, a security issue, or emergency. iGrad is a financial literacy tool that is free to all TCC students. Creating an iGrad account will grant you access to financial literacy lessons and tutorials, as well as a scholarship search tool. Please feel free to explore these applications and star any that you feel will benefit you. Next, I would like you to navigate back to the waffle icon. There you will find two very important applications that students will likely use daily. Canvas is your online classroom. Most classes offered at TCC, whether they are online, hybrid, or on campus, have a classroom in Canvas. Depending on the class and the instructor, you may have to access Canvas to receive your assignments, or submit assignments, or check your grade throughout the quarter. Another important application is your campus email. Click Campus Email to sign into your email. To sign in, you will use the same username that you used to log into the portal. However, you will have to add to your email address at student.tacomacc.edu. As an example, the student listed here would enter their portal login username and then include at student.tacomacc.edu. Your password will be your full student ID number, the same as your portal login password. When you log in for the first time, you will likely set your time zone, which will be Pacific if you are in Washington State. You will want to check your email regularly. It is TCC's primary mode of communication with students. If you feel that you would like your emails from your student account to be forwarded to a personal email address, that is an option. To do so, you can select Settings and then View All Outlook Settings and select Forwarding. Here, you can enable and enter in your personal email address you would like all your TCC emails to be forwarded to. Also, as a TCC student, you have free access to the Microsoft Office applications such as Outlook, your student email, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and OneDrive, which is a cloud storage that you can access from any computer. You are able to access the web-based application from any computer, as well as download the desktop version to your own personal computer. You can do so by selecting Office 365 and then choosing to install Office. This will allow you to download the Office program applications and be able to access them through your desktop. This has been the overview on how some of the most commonly used resources and tools can be accessible through your student portal. If you have any questions regarding your portal, your email, or if you need assistance resetting a password, please feel free to contact our e-learning department at support@tacomacc.edu or by calling 253-566-5655. 5176.